Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1464, that is maximum product of two elements in an array, and we'll be given an integer array of integers nums, and we will have to choose two different indices I and j, and we have to return the maximum value of nums I minus 1 into nums j minus 1. Okay, so let's say we are given this nums array. So this is 3, 4, 5 and 2. So we have to return the maximum product that could be formed by using these two, 5 and 4. If we subtract 1 from 5, that it becomes 4, and if we subtract 1 from 4, then it becomes 3. So the total output is 12. Similarly, in this case we are having 1, 5, 4, 5. So we will be choosing 5 and 5, reducing both of them by 1, and then 4 into 4 sums up to be multiplies up to be 16. Similarly, in this case we are having only two elements, so 7 will become 6 and 3 will become 2. Okay, so the output is 12. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward question, as we have to find the top two maximum elements and we are all set. Okay, so firstly let's do it by an easy method, that is we can just simply sort. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, let's just sort the arrays dot sort nums, and let's have two numbers. Let's say num1, okay, let's say max, that will be equal to nums of nums dot length minus 1, the last element, and then we have to pick up the last element, and we have to subtract the 1 from the maximum. So only we can find second max that will be equal to nums of nums dot length minus 1, and here also, oh sorry, here it will be minus 2, and here it will be minus 1. Okay, so at the end let's just simply return max into second max. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah. And it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.